I'm Robbie with Delta Millworks. Today we're here in Park City, Utah at an amazing project done by Germania Construction. I'm here with Brittany from Germania. How you doing, Brittany?
Good, how are you?
Doing great, doing great. Tell us a little bit about Germania. We've been working together for at least 10 years and we love the projects. We love working with you guys. And yeah, we think you're one of the top residential builders in Utah.
Thank you, we agree. But also it's great to work with Delta. I think it's been 10 years with you and I working together in Cole. Your products are some of our favorite to use on our homes.
Thank you very much for saying that. What's y'all's approach? What sets Germania apart from others?
I think it's fit and finish. When you walk into a home, there's details and attention to it that you can feel. The home feels warmer, it feels solid underfoot. Everything has been paid attention to. And I think it feels different when you walk into a Germania home. It's about the experience the client has and how we kind of point things out. And we're getting into the nitty-gritty, every single detail we think about.
What's changed or what's changing in the market up here in terms of how homes are built, what clients expect? What are y'all doing differently?
A lot of it's livability. People are wanting more staying at home since COVID. They really want to live in that space and they have more systems that can guarantee the home feels like a home. So they've got saunas, they've got a lot of just livability in the home. Yeah.
No, that's a good answer. What about this project? I know you had your hands on this one extensively.
Yes, this is my child, yeah.
I can tell.
We really wanted the home to feel kind of in and out. So all the ceiling carries in and out, it's all Delta. All of the siding is all Alaskan Yellow Cedar. We did a custom stain on the interior. I think I did a few rounds of that. I know that I'm one of your favorite custom stain clients. I definitely put
You like those requests.
I definitely put that shop to work. I know
like those requests.
Yeah, and we did a lot of Delta inside too. So the entire ceiling, the master bedroom, and then one of the bedrooms downstairs we had some extra, so we carried in the headboard. It's really nice.
So the siding, we did an Alaskan Yellow Cedar vertical grain, which is really kind of an old school, tried and true, very long lasting wood.
Yeah, Bozeman finish. That's one of your standard finishes.
What else went into the decision making of the siding? I mean, for not just you, but the clients, was it low maintenance, durability, sustainability, like what?
Yeah, they really wanted a clean, nice look. Obviously few knots to kind of just make the whole home feel modern and soft, very spa-like. I pulled some kind of almond-gary type feeling in the house, so it all feels really soft on the eye. And that's kind of why I went with the Alaskan Yellow Cedar. And I didn't want much red, so the yellow kind of tended to that. Yeah,
the cedar's very consistent and the finish we put on it, consistent as well, and hopefully builds up the color that's gonna hopefully last for a long time. It's a beautiful color, nylon brushed, so yeah, very, very consistent product. Let's talk Accoya.
So the Accoya kind of mimics an oak, but it gives you that in and out feel without having to use a different product. So many times when you go so light, you have to almost go with a poplar inside, and I didn't want to mix them. So being able to do something that looked like white oak, that has the durability, I mean, it's stunning.
Accoya is usually an exterior siding product, but you guys like to use it a lot for interior ceilings and exterior soffits. I know we do a lot of custom colors with y'all. How does that process look when working with Delta? Just getting to the color and texture you want, obviously starting with a wood product, performance, wood grain, etc. How does that process work for y'all?
So on this home, I was an interior designer and a project manager, but there are homes where I just do the PMing and I work with interior designers. They will give me a sample this big for inspiration. I will send it to you guys and say, hey, can we get this done? And it's not uncommon that I get a sample in a week. No conversation is get a sample in a week, it matches, or we go 2 rounds, they want to tweak it. And I think what sets Delta apart is your stain process. Like a lot of people take the approach of just putting it through a machine that sells siding. I think with you guys, it's almost like a high-end paint finish, even though it's stained, that you get from a high-end painter in our market. You're giving that standard.
Yeah, we really enjoy that challenge. Ultimately we're producing products on such as the Accoya that are, don't exist on another home out there.
Yeah, and it's a feature. I mean, you walk up to the house, you see the house from the back, it's beautiful.
So Brittany, we do a lot of exterior siding, but we're seeing more and more wood being used for interiors, not just wood flooring, but interior walls and ceilings. We think that, you know, using more wood inside, you can't wrap the entire interior in wood, but using it in the right places with the right wood and right finish really adds to a biophilic design and bringing nature inside. What's your take on interior wood elements, and has that changed? Is more wood being used for interiors and I guess exteriors as well?
I think what's happening is that people are paying so much money for these amazing views. They want to maximize the view. So glass is getting so much bigger. It's coming from different countries and they want the in and out feel. So people are kind of focusing more on wanting the wood to carry in and out, and they want it to look high end. When I think of Delta, I don't think of just exterior at all. I think your finishes are super high end, they look great inside. You know, I like to carry the in and out. And I think all with these modern homes, it's less is more. So people are carrying in the wood onto vertical walls so it can pull through the outside. You see, your view's not obstructed by a different finish. So they're putting it everywhere. They're doing wood, stone, wood floors, less drywall.
Tell our audience who don't live or build in a snowy climate like this, what do you have to do differently during the winter months that someone in Texas may not have to consider?
Yeah, I mean, the home is going to be a whole living organism. It's got to have snow melt, you're shoveling, and a lot of the things is you want the materials outside to be able to withstand that. So even here in the home, in the front of the house, we have wood coming down on the garage doors. And with Delta, the maintenance isn't a huge thing you have to worry about. You know, your products they last longer, the stain is lasting longer. So what clients are asking about is how often do I have to maintain? Because obviously this kind of square footage, that can add up in staining. So one of the first questions they ask us is this product going to be able to maintain in this climate?
How do you set expectations with your clients about maintenance, whether it's the wood itself, like how long is the wood going to last?
It's nice, you guys actually have documents that come with the product that help us with that. They get a warranty book about this thick when the home turns over, and it has kind of everything in it about when to stain, what to do with the home. And they ask that. I mean, when you order like a reclaimed siding, that's going to give you no maintenance. Accoya has lower maintenance than other products.
Brittany, thank you for your time today. Nice chatting with you. We love working with you guys, and great project.
Thank you so much.
Nice work.
Yeah, it's a good team, so thanks guys.